What's up, Todd Squad? Back with another Hang Todd video. And today, guys, we're going to be doing some more Farming USA 2. And guys, just a real quick reminder, if you have not gone and checked out the live stream of the giveaway, I posted about probably roughly probably a day or so ago. But guys, I live streamed that. Yeah. So if you guys have not entered, go to that live stream. Comment down below, say giveaway, subscribe to the channel, and give the live stream a thumbs up. Then you are entered, guys. I will know if you have not subscribed and if you've not commented or something like that, guys. So be sure you do all three, or else you're not entered. And we will see who will win it, and we'll see about that. So, guys, what we're doing today is we got the normal truck. Okay, I switched the spots of them, and then we got the clean lifted truck. So we're going to be taking the normal truck. We're doing a little bit unusual thing today, guys. So, yeah, I'll show you guys. I'll show you. You probably can already tell from the thumbnail and the title. We've got to go pick up our brand new. I'm not going to tell you guys the rest. Oh, yeah, and by the way, I did buy a cattle trailer. If you have not checked out the last video, go watch that. It's posted yesterday, so go watch that. Buying the new livestock trailer. I'm gonna roll on out of here with the flatbed. Today's job is gonna be using the flatbed, and we cannot use the little trailer for this, guys. We've got to use the flatbed. Yeah. So, guys, we're gonna take the flatbed down here, and when our cows get a little bit older, that's when we're gonna start selling. So we've got to pick up a pulling tractor, guys. We've actually got to pick up a pulling tractor that this guy had. I saw it in the newspaper, and he was like, "Yeah, I'm selling a pulling tractor. It's Case IH." So we're gonna go buy the pulling tractor, guys. If you hear noise in the background, sorry about that. If you do, that is my sister talking because I am recording this right now. But guys, we're gonna go pick up this pulling tractor. I found it. Sorry about that. Did not find it in the newspaper. I found it on Craigslist, guys. So be sure to like this video if you like pulling tractors, guys, because we're getting a pulling tractor. Now, guys, a little reminder. Actually, I didn't even tell you guys this. It is broke down. Like, we've got to get some things fixed in it, so it'll be in the shop for a little while until we actually get it running. Right there, as you can see, guys, Case IH. Yeah, the guy at Case IH, he said you could pick between. He actually had two pulling tractors. He said you could pick between Case IH and John Deere. I went with Case IH because the Case IH has the better looking body in the front, because the John Deere one's rounded and the Case one's square. I like the squared better. So he already sold the John Deere one, so we're gonna take our Case one. It's got some gear troubles. It can't shift through every gear. It's got a lot of problems with the gears. So we're gonna have to replace the whole gearbox. We're gonna have to replace every single gear, everything. So yeah. There we go. I think I want to put this kind of right in the middle. Okay, about right there. That look good, guys? Put a lot of the weight on the tires is where I want to get it, because I want to make my truck squat that bad. But I think we need to pull it up just a hair. That should be good right there, guys. Truck's not squatting. It's squatting. Okay, guys, that truck is squatting pretty decently. We're gonna see how this truck handles it, though. Alright, we got every chain strapped down. Let's go ahead and back up in the driveway there. Okay, so we can't do a little maneuvering with the truck. There we go. I've also got a blade for the truck, a snow blade that I need to pick up. We just bought it at the store. Gotta pick that up. I've been buying a lot of things lately. Oh, dude, that did not help the truck out. Okay, guys, I actually think this truck is struggling pulling this thing. You see, it's kind of you hear that? It's really revving it up stuff, so I think it's having some trouble. If they would add a box trailer, guys, that would be so cool. A box trailer, that would just be, oh my goodness, a box trailer. I'm going to actually go to the comment section in the App Store and ask them if they can add a box trailer. Whatever their update coming out with next, a Farming USA 3, maybe, I doubt it, but whatever update they're coming out with next, I will be sure to update you guys on that. So, yeah. And we got to go pick up the sled for this too, guys. There's also a sled that goes with this tractor. just to mess around with. One day we might have Hassler Perfect get on here. We might have a little pulling thing. So yeah, so you can have the best tractor pull or something. Alright, we're gonna swing out here. We'll take our case after we get it all repaired. I think he probably have him a John Deere. Probably. He's a John Deere fan. I'm also a John Deere fan. I thought, why not go with case though this time? Okay. What a way to unload your new tractor. Guys, I don't think we're gonna get this over. So let me just get this home real fast. Find this thing. Okay, there we go, guys. The brand new pulling tractor. Now, the problem is, where should we put it? Okay, I'm actually going to put it up here in the barn with the other tractor. Just because I think that looks so nice. The two cases right beside each other. How about that, guys? Well, if you see, we have $8,243,864. Yeah, got quite a bit of money just to mess around with, you know. So I'm going to pull this in from the back way. I'm going to park this behind the other case. There we go. I like it how they added that gate, but that's the only thing I don't like is it swings out and hits you when you have trouble getting through. They should have a gate on the back. I always think they did have. I thought they did have. If they don't, Alright, guys, there we go. Okay, there we go. Pull the new pulling tractor right in here. As you can see, guys, we still have the case dolly. Don't know exactly what we're going to be doing with that tractor, but we still have it. Probably not going to sell that anytime soon. It's either put the pulling tractor right there, guys. That gate's going to stay open, though, I think. I really don't want that gate to stay open all the time, though. That's my one. Okay, yeah, it does shut. Or we could tuck it away right over here. I think putting it over here would look good, too, but for now, we'll just keep it there. We still got to go grab the sled. It's raining, guys. It's raining. We're going to hop into the truck real quick. Truck should be... Okay, this is not the right truck, but we'll go ahead and run over here to it. Truck's right here, so we got to go grab the sled. I actually don't exactly know how we're going to get that thing home. I think maybe I could... Oh, hold up, guys. I got an idea, actually. Alright, grab this. I just leave that tractor there so I can teleport down here, and it's so much quicker than having to drive. But, yeah. So we're going to go ahead and hop in the dealership. Go to trucks. I'm just going to buy this S&S pulling truck right here. Or the Bowling Games pulling truck. Just so I can get this sled home. Only reason why I'm buying it, guys. Just so we can pull the sled home. I'm probably going to sell it. Right there, guys. The Bowling Games pulling truck. Actually, I'm thinking we might keep this. Just because it looks so good. And it goes so fast. It's got acceleration to it. And hook up this sled. There we go, guys. Sorry about that phone ring. There we go, guys. We've hitched up the sled. And the sled's not on. You can actually like turn it on. Crank up that weight level. And see, it's actually having the struggle and stuff to pull it. So that's pretty sweet how they made that. That's a really cool feature. We're going to go ahead and pull it back with the sled on. Okay, guys, this is very not good. Okay, actually, just go to implements. We're going to tow that thing home. Go to vehicles. We're going to tow that home. Drive it. There we go. Okay. Now we can put this stuff out. Go hook up to the sled. I don't know where exactly I'm going to keep this sled at, but we'll definitely find a spot for it. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and throw it somewhere for now. We'll put it right in here for now. I don't want to like leave our brand new $200,000 sled, you know, like out in the rain or something. So definitely not going to be doing that. Here, I'm going if I can't, like, whip this thing all the way around. There we go. So you can't whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. And now bring it back up. Okay, there we go. And we're just going to leave this way over here. It's so big, that's the problem. Okay, there we go. Guys, this is going to be the end of the video. I really hope you guys did enjoy it. Sorry on such quick notice, I just ended the video. But it's going to be the end of the video. Go enter that giveaway. 3 things: subscribe, comment, and give the video a thumbs up. Guys, it's going to be the end of it. And thank you for watching. And we will see you guys next time.